A very important judgment given by Jharkhand High Court. The Jharkhand High Court has held that the GST officer should not require or coerce individual summoned under the GST to give the statement after the office hours. The division bench, comprising acting Chief Justice Sri Chandrasekhar and Justice Navid Kumar, emphasized, in our opinion, the proper officer under the GSC should not be requiring or forcing or coercing a person so summoned to give statement after the office hours. The counsel for the petitioner cited Section 50 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, which is comparable to the Section 70 of the GST. Mittal referred the Supreme Court's interpretation in the case Vijay Madanlal Chaudhary versus the Union of India, where it has was held that the officer under the PMLA was not a police officer and do not exercise the powers under the Code of Criminal Procedure. The Supreme Court had concluded that a person summoned under the Section 50 is not considered an accused, and their statement do not equate to confession, thus falling outside the protection of Article 20, Class 3 of the Constitution. The Mittal also pointed to the FAQ on the goods and service tax available on the CBIC website, which outlined the guidelines for issuing summons and precaution to be observed. Furthermore, the GSC Intelligence and Investigation Manual 2023 provides a detailed procedure for interrogation and recording the statement, emphasizing that the statement should be recorded during the office hours. The court acknowledged the GST Intelligence and Investigation Manual 2023, which outlined the procedure for interrogation, recording statement, preparation, questioning, techniques, dealing with hostile individual, reiteration, judicial interpretation, and precautions. Specifically, the manual states under the Class 4 to Para 5.142 that the statement should be recorded during the office hours. However, the court noted that the Commissioner GST investigation has interpreted the term exception in the Class 4 to allow for after office hours in the case where there is a risk of individual absconding or where the arrest may occur. In conclusion, the court directed the GST officer to adhere to the under guidelines and instructions issued by the Commissioner GST Investigation and CBIC when summoning the individual under the Section 70 of the GST Act. The case titled Shivakumar Darora versus the Union of India. It's a very good judgment, friends. You can note down for your future reference. Thank you very much.